Welcome to our final planet, or a dwarf planet as is now known, but Pluto, we had to cover it since it was discovered by a Kansan. Clyde Tombaugh from Burdett, Kansas, was actually the person who discovered Pluto. Pluto is actually named after the Roman god of the underworld. Sometimes it's closer to the sun than Neptune, but it is smaller. From what we know, we think it's made of frozen nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. No spacecraft has ever visited, though. And some of our best views are this. The left picture taken from a ground-based telescope, and the right from the Hubble Space Telescope. Now, since then, we have discovered that Pluto actually has 3 moons. We've always talked about Charon, but now we know that Nix and Hydra are also 2 moons that go around Pluto. So this is a computer image of what we think it might be like. Now, since it's considered a dwarf planet now, there are a couple other dwarf planets. Eris is actually bigger than Pluto, but a little farther away, another object out there in the Kuiper Belt. And then Ceres is the only dwarf planet that is located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. For our experiment with Pluto, we're going to go down to some light set up with some cups. You notice the cups closest to the light, which is representing the sun, is just like the planets closest to the sun. They're close together, not much space in between them. As they get farther out in the solar system, the cups are spread farther apart. So what I need you to do is read the thermometer in Celsius for each of these cups as you go farther and farther from the sun. Make sure you note that you're starting at the sun on your recording sheet, and then put the temperature of each cup as you go along, measured in degrees Celsius. Thanks for visiting all the planets. Bye.